Hey, ready? And they are coming dimio. Now, if you're ben a medi. Okay, mammy got to watch it. Watch it, Rampatron, mammy, watch it to see this. Me pay indomin any gari. If mammy will like a cry. Any shocky with fish. Any egg. That's right. Oh, the pepper. Guys, as you can tell, I was by the roadside with the waakye seller trying to order my waakye. Now, if you want to learn how to make some homemade, delicious Ghana authentic roadside waakye, let's get started. Let me show you how to make it. Alright guys, so I started by boiling 6 cups of water and I added my waakye leaves. Waakye leaves can be found at your local African market as well as your Caribbean market. After it boils, you're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of baking soda. All right, guys, so after we boiled our waakye leaves water, we're going to put it aside. And here you see that I've added 2 cups of beans. I'm going to add 1 cup of water and allow it to boil for 20 minutes, guys. And after the 20 minutes, you will see that the water has pretty much, died down or, disappeared or soaked into the beans. Now, after that, we're going to go ahead and add the waakye leaves water. Okay, guys, this brings out the color in the waakye. All right, guys, so after adding the waakye leaves water, I went on and cooked the beans for 15 minutes, guys. And I'm going to add my rice. But before adding the rice, I want you to see the texture. It's almost done. Like, it has this kind of toughness. It's not all the way soft. The beans is not all the way soft. It's like a medium well type of texture. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of rice. So someone asked me a question: how do you know how much rice to add to your beans? First of all, my ratio is always 2 to 1. If I add 2 cups of beans, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice, because rice literally gets like it puffs up. Okay, guys, so let's say if you're using 6 cups of beans, you're going to use 3 cups of rice. So we added our salt later, as you saw. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little stir and cover it, okay guys, with a paper foil and leave it on fire for 10 more minutes. Now this waakye literally cooked for about 45 minutes in total. All right, guys, so as you can see the ingredients on the screen, I'm gonna go ahead and blend all these little goody ingredients. Okay, now this is where the real magic happens, because if your waakye stew is delicious, the waakye within itself is going to be delicious already. The power is all in the stew. We need to have that flavor, that kick, that's how do you call it, magical touch to the stew. So I'm going to make the authentic darkened waakye stew, guys, and if you follow the ingredients, you can truly achieve this color, of course, and the very unique flavor that waakye stew has. So whilst we've allowed our first base to literally cook for about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our tomato paste as well as our powdered ingredients, which I have put on the screen here. Guys, give it a stir and cook it for another 15 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and add our crushed tomatoes, all right? And this is one big can of the crushed tomatoes. Give it a stir and go ahead and add our meats. Guys, this I have already cooked the meat. I'm just going to add it onto the stew as well as my boiled eggs, guys. We're going to leave this to cook for another 20 minutes, guys, and the stew is done. All right, guys, so our delicious waakye is ready, guys. Yes, we're going to be serving this, and the way I will enjoy this, yes, I've added my spaghetti, and I'm going to add some gari, and then I'll add some wele. Yes, me the wele kakra be shenche, me the be kiki aside honum kakra. Na my sanswa for me shoki, any me beef. Na me the boiled egg. You know Ghanaians, we can't do without eggs. Me the egg kakra ka ho na me the tilapia aka ho, guys. And let's not forget our sheton. Okay, and it's a done deal, guys. I can't wait for you to try this. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.